No, I'm doing a vlog. Live in Australia. These are my classmates, Esosa and Kishan.
Hello, nice to meet you.
When there's a pipe, when there is a wave of pressure that comes into the pipe, the artery, is it elastic and flexible?
Yeah.
So when that pressure wave comes in, that was pushed in here under high pressure, now wants to go back. Because when this relaxes, this is low pressure. But it cannot go back because this valve shuts. The sound of blood hitting this valve gives you sound 2. Yeah? So these two closing will cause sound 1. These two closing will cause sound 2. Okay? Locked up.
Yeah.
It's the valve.
What is? No, it's not
the
the
muscle
valve.
of the valve, isn't it?
Hey.
Just don't mind me.
Yeah.
Just continue discussing there.
Okay.
What are you doing? Don't be shy.
Yeah, so
So did you get that?
yeah, tricuspid is the right side, isn't it?
Try before you might.
Try. That's the technique.
Try before mine is a technique to remember.
So the tricuspid valve has to come first.
Right.
Try. It sounds
what-
like
what happens-
right.
Tricuspid is always in right.
Yeah, on the right
Always in
side.
right. And mitral is always in left.
Left. Okay, so it comes in from the right.
Yeah,
Yeah, the
tricuspid
tricuspid
always
valve.
right. Right. Tricuspid right. Mitral left.
Yeah.
And the tricuspid right always deoxygenate, left always oxygenate.
Yeah.
Right.